Friends, here we are developing a shell script to monitor microservice or services with its health URL. Be clear, there is a difference between our previous example and this example. So in our previous example, we were monitoring the service which is running on your current host. But here microservice is running somewhere, let's say using Docker or Kubernetes. But we have to monitor that service whether it is up and running or not. See, basically each and every microservice is developed with one endpoint to validate its health, like this. So for my microservice, let's say there is an endpoint with health. Now on that, if you run curl command with get method, see the result, you are getting status as up and running. So instead of seeing this message, if you see HTTP status code, from that also we can say that, see, HTTP code is 200. Now I want to capture this by running this endpoint with curl command, and if value is 200, then I can say that your microservice is up and running. If not, then your service is down. So very simple, no? So I am taking health URL equals to, then in next line, just to find your HTTP status code. If you remember, we already discussed how to capture the HTTP status code for your URL whenever if you run with curl command. So simply I am taking HTTP status code equals to, then here curl your get method, then simply your URL to validate your health. Then from here I need to capture HTTP status code. So for that you have to pass one option called -w %. That's it. Now let me display that just to validate that HTTP status code. Save it and then run it. So monitor microservice.sh. Okay, in line number 4, here we started with a double quotation but forget to close with double quotation. Now let me rerun. So here I don't want to get output, and also I want to run curl command silently. Then pass option for your curl -s, and then output I am redirecting to /dev null. That's it. Now let me rerun. Yes, you are getting 200. So now based on this code we can say that whether it is up and running or not. So simply take if help and then compare this value HTTP status code value. If it is equals to 200, then you can write echo microservice is up and running, else echo microservice is not up and running. That's it. Now if you want to monitor the health of this URL for every minute, then we know that how we can proceed. Just to follow our previous shell script and try to develop the remaining logic. Anyway, I will share the code, but before that you just try to complete this logic.